Hello, it's time to do an update on my lemon tree. So a few months back, I put an air layer bag on this branch, and now we're gonna check on it and see if there's any roots. It's been a few months, so there should be, or it's time to take it off either way. So just took the bag off, just checking this out, seeing how it's doing. It looks promising. I see some roots. Let me just move these branches out of the way. There's a whole bunch of lemons here. I don't want to accidentally knock them off. A whole bunch of thorns too, so I'm just trying to not stab myself. Just trying to brush the dirt carefully away just so I can check and see if the root density is high enough to just take this off. If it's high enough, then I'll just take it off and I'll put it in a pot so I can position it in the shade and slowly acclimate it to the sunlight as it produces more roots. Once I snip it away from the mother plant, it'll be able to get some water, but these roots aren't equipped to supply all the water this branch is gonna need. And so, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and snip this off. Here's my shears, or loppers, whatever you wanna call them. And I cut it off. And as you can see, pretty good root density. So I'm gonna put it in a pot and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. And Mud decided to come over and photobomb. Look how cute he is. I think he's getting ideas. He might want to chew on this. Don't even think about it, puppy. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. This is what it looks like full size. And I got it all potted up. I like it. I probably won't leave it right there. I probably should put it somewhere that's going to be more shaded in the daytime, but it'll be good right there for now. It looks kind of cute. Out here on the gazebo. Got a couple things out here as well. Be in good company. Got a banana plant and passion fruit over there. So yeah, well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.